13-year-old Nina Wims is now home 2 months after being arrested. She spent nearly 2 weeks in a Florida juvenile detention center for a crime she didn't commit. The 7th grader was accused of using Instagram to threaten to kill a teacher and a classmate and bomb their school. Later, evidence showed that Nina was herself a victim of identity theft and bullying. She never sent those threatening messages. But this is a story that is all too familiar. Every year, a disproportionate number of Black Americans are arrested and convicted for crimes that they never committed. And with the rise of policing in schools, children and teens are now susceptible to the well-documented racial biases in our system. Here with me now to dive into the issue is tech and cybersecurity expert Burton Kelso. Burton, let's get right to it. Walk us through exactly what was the 13-year-old accused of?
Sending threats to the school as far as causing bodily harm to faculty and students. And the unfortunate thing about this is that this is a trend that's been going on since late last year. There was a trend where students were threatening schools. And of course, in a lot of instances, young kids think that this is a joke, but unfortunately, this could have dire consequences, especially with all the school shootings that we've had in the past years.
Right. You know, if you're Black or brown, you know the implications to this. So it's huge. And it could cost you your life. We've seen it happen before. Cybersecurity comes into issue here because it sounds like police, when investigating, missed some really crucial steps. So my first question is, was this a complete oversight? Are these things that they should have easily caught? And what were the steps they should have taken?
Well, the steps that the police should have taken was just not to go based on color. You see a young African-American student and you automatically think that they're the perpetrator as far as the crime is concerned. But probably one of the first steps that they should have did was to contact Instagram, because with any social media account, you can find an IP address of where the person sent the post. So it doesn't matter if you're on Facebook, Instagram, or even TikTok. Those social media giants are obligated to keep track of IP addresses so that if there is criminal activity on social media, they can immediately find out who actually perpetrated the crime. And that way, police and investigators can get to the right person.
So police arrested Nia. They admitted, however, that she did not send those threatening messages, but say she was arrested and it was justified because she and her mother did not cooperate with investigators. Is that really an acceptable excuse when we're talking about a child?
Not at all. I mean, yes, kids sometimes do irresponsible things, but at the same time, especially when it comes to social media and how we know how criminals can duplicate accounts, before making an arrest and sending her off to jail, they should have done a little bit more due diligence. And obviously, in this case, she was picked because of the color of her skin, and investigators really should have done a thorough job, because it does not take that much to duplicate or create a fake social media account. And I mean, we've been seeing this for years. So there's really no excuses at all.
And what part does the school play here? Because Nia's mother said that identity theft was a part of a larger bullying problem that was not addressed by the school. So what is their responsibility in all of this?
Well, unfortunately, I mean, there's limited things that the school can do as far as cyberbullying is concerned. Obviously, if a student reports that they are being bullied, the school needs to take action to make sure that that kid is no longer a bully. And of course, they need to take steps to ensure that the student being bullied is threatened. But ultimately, when it comes to cyberbullying, it boils down to the parents of the bully. So the school has some obligation, but at the same time, they're kind of limited as what they can do.
But we've seen it in the past, you know, families going after the parents, and maybe that is something to look into. But I can't help but wonder, if this was not a Black child, would the same have happened? You know, how does race play a role in a 13-year-old being arrested and spending weeks in juvie?
Yeah, that's the question that we're all dealing with nationwide as far as skin color. And I think many of us think that it only occurs in real life, but definitely it occurs online, because I know this isn't part of the story, but I have had to deal with my own cyber bullies as an adult, and ultimately I had to take a restraining order on my own online bully. So it definitely, when it comes to race, works in the real world, and it definitely has a bigger impact in the cyber world, because a lot of times you don't know who the bully is. It could be anyone that you're talking to, or it could be a complete stranger. So I mean, it's a problem that social media platforms really need to deal with, and they need to deal with bullies harshly, banning them from the networks like they had to do with President Trump and other people in government. It needs to happen, and social media needs to take race much more seriously.
Well, Burton, thank you so much for, first of all, sharing your personal story with us. I've been there too. Trust me, I've lived it as well. And for sharing your insight as well.
Thank you. I appreciate it.